Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. I've got another 18 by 24 inch canvas, my Axo Omelette Turning Flip and Fold spatula, and I think I bit off more than I can chew. I don't know if I can show you what's over there or not and come back again, but there's a lot of purple, and I want to continue my color series. So I'm going to do, like I said, mostly purples. I've got Waterlily, Prizm Pour, I'm going to try and get my bottles out of the way while I do this, and I really love that color, so that's why I'm using a lot of it. This is Periwinkle-VIF Intense. That was a Prizm Pour. Get to actually draw with my colors, and I need enough color to make a puddle. This is Deep Amethyst. Ooh, there's a that might be more than enough. I'm going to sneak in a little bit of Dancing Fuchsia because I mixed a seriously strong mixture. Oh, that's Whispering Wisteria, excuse me. If I were going to show you the Dancing Fuchsia, that would be okay. This is actually what it's supposed to be, Dancing Fuchsia. And I might throw a little Decor Americana 24 karat gold in. I wanted to put orange and green in this. I wanted it to be a Halloween theme, honestly. This is a Prizm Pour. This is Bobbing for Apples. It's going to be interesting making these all these colors cover. I've got Wild Orchid, which I haven't used in a while, which is funny because it was one of my all-time favorites. Got African Violet, which I wisely cleaned the tip out of before I started. I figure if I use a little bit of everything, then I'll conserve things. This is Deep Amethyst, Pink Diamond, and Chantilly Lace. This is a mix I've had kicking around for a while. And it looks like there might be a clot of something in there. Whatever it is, I think I got it first try. I suspect there's paint clogging the tip, but I'm loving this color, so I'm not giving up yet. I might pull the top off. Put that aside so I can clean it when I get them in it. The last one is Black Raspberry, if it's the last one. There's way more paint here than I anticipated, but the colors are so great, it's hard to stop wanting to put new colors down. I was going to use the Burmese Red. I don't think I need that, but I am going to use a little bit of Red Violet. A little bit because I have very little left, and it's definitely time to mix some more. What have I got here? I've got Vivid Intense. It's a CU mix. I don't know what it is, but it's purple in color. And it's a good color. No shortage of purples. I've got Acai Berry. I think it's Acai Berry. Yes, it is. I see that lump of stuff. It's amazing somebody with vision as bad as mine is without glasses can actually see stuff like that. I said I wouldn't do the Amethyst Queen, but you know what? I'm going to try it anyway. And there, the only thing that's left to do is put some white on. After I get that bottle to go back where it belongs. Black raspberry away. The only reason I put some white on is to change things up a little bit. I imagine I'll be having to put some white on after I get all my purple spread, just so I can put some orange in if I still want to do that. So here goes nothing. Where do I start? Start where it seems like the most fun. I believe there's going to be some fast forwarding in a moment. That's gorgeous. I am being drawn to adding more colors though, and that color right offhand is a little more dancing fuchsia. I'm really liking what I've got. I am dying to use some red orange cell activator, and I have to try it. Do I want any black? I'm tempted to try the purple. There's just enough orange in there. I want something else in here. And since the black didn't work but the purple did, that's the answer. Thank you for joining me. Please share a thumbs up and subscribe. Choose all when you click the bell if you're going to help me out. If you're interested in a certain method, I have a wide assortment of playlists sharing different methods. Please watch as much of my video as possible to positively affect the algorithm. easpbgallery@gmail.com is my email address to inquire about a private class or the purchase of artwork. Please feel free to ask questions. They're always welcome. My channel survives with the assistance of channel memberships and PayPal donations, and I want to send a huge thank you out to all my supporters.